everyone, this is Meenal Gupta and today I am going to present my internship task at the Sparks Foundation as a Web Development and Designing Intern. It is a basic banking system in which we were asked to create a dummy database up to 10 customers. The workflow includes viewing all the customers, select any one of them and transfer money to the other existing customers. To achieve the required functionality, I used Node.JS as the backend, HTML, CSS, JavaScript in the frontend part and MongoDB database to store all the datas. Now let me show the database where I have created two collections. In the customer collections, all the informations about the customer is being saved and this is being displayed in our website. Now let us head towards our deployed website. This is the main home page. And these are the various options available to us. Home, our customers, transaction history. We can also explore to these pages by clicking these buttons, our customer and transaction history buttons. On clicking our customers, the informations from the database is being reflected in the form of a table. To select any of the users, click the view button and the details of that particular user will be displayed. Now we can choose the customer to whom we want to send the amount. Suppose Raimashen wants to send an amount of 500 to Alisha Shah. On transaction, a successful message will be shown and it will redirect us to the transaction history page and we can see the updation has taken place. The sender is Raimashen, the receiver Alisha Shah. Amount 500 is being transferred and the time of transaction also has been included. Now what will happen if someone tries to transact amount which is a negative or greater than his current balance or a zero amount? If someone tries to transact a zero amount, it will give us an error, cannot transfer zero amount with a transaction failed message and it will redirect us to our customers page. Now let us see what will happen if someone enters a negative amount. On entering a negative amount, it will display an error. Please enter a non-negative amount. Now if someone enters any amount greater than its current balance. Suppose Swastika Gupta is having a balance of 15,000 but she is trying to transact amount greater than this. Suppose 20,000. So it will display an error, insufficient balance amount. We can check these once more. Suppose this time the sender is Alisha Shah, the receiver is Swastika Gupta and I am transacting an amount of 3,000. So Alisha Shah's account will be deducted and 3,000 will be credited to Swastika's account. On transaction, and we can check these. Swastika's account has been credited by 3,000 and Alisha Shah's account has been debited. Now this website is fully responsive. We can check that too. As you can see, this is fully responsive. In iPad, it will look like this. So this is all about the practical demonstration. Now we will look at the coding part. This is the main server JavaScript file where I have imported all the required libraries. Then I have connected the MongoDB database. After that, I have created the Mongoose schema and converted that schema into Mongoose model. Here I am rendering all the files. Now if someone gives a post request, then the information is being saved into our database, and I will update the database only if the amount entered by the user is less than the sender's current balance. Then the receiver's account will be credited by that much amount and the sender's account will be deducted. The amount will be deducted from the sender's account. Inside this folder, I have my main home page. This is my main home page. This is the nav bar. All the cards. This is the page displaying our customers' information. And this page is displaying the transaction history. Now the static folder is having all the CSS files and the client JavaScript. In this JavaScript file, I am checking the amount which is being entered by the user. If the amount is 0, then I am giving an alert, cannot transfer 0 amount. If the amount is negative, then the message is please enter a non-negative amount, and if the amount is greater than the current balance, then insufficient balance amount. In the transaction part, I am fetching the on the post request whatever the user is entering and displaying all the informations in the table. This is my CSS style sheet. These are the media, like to make my pages responsive. Media screen, when the maximum width is 600, then only these CSS will be displayed, which is being helpful to make my website responsive. Inside this image folders, all the images which I have used in my website, and all the images have been randomly chosen from the internet. So this is all about my current task. Hope you have liked this video. I have included the Github repository in the description along with my LinkedIn profile. Thank you very much.